Hello everybody, my name is Muhammad Rayan and I'm a scientist. So here are chickens over here. So the chicks are over there. You can see that over there. So those are chickens. So you will see everything is blue because my tab has this all senses. Blue one is for what do we call for morning senses, so you can know this video is made in morning about nature. So here's a car, those are goats outside. So you can see that's the road, here's the park. So we're gonna make this video in the park, the forest. Here's the forest. You see that small bird? Yeah, that's it. So here is gonna be our video. Yes, that's it. So now yes, that's it. So here we go. That's the bird. Trees, there's everything here. And those are my friends. I'm gonna go with my friends so that we can make a video together. And we're going to my favorite tree. That's brick. Those are stuff. Here trees. Here's the birds, the people, gates, flowers. So this is a storage place. Here's the brick. And you see, here's trees everywhere in this park. And people also waste. Some people also wastage like. So we need to save our environment so that animals can live and people will not feel so no more pollution. People destroyed animals, so it has honey badgers. With their you see their cave. Birds, their everything here. That's my favorite tree. Here's the pipe, another short place, a small tree. Young trees are also popular. And there's trees and other stuff.